DJ channel. Today I just want to unbox and test or try my new infrared induction or cooker, so that in case you want to buy one for yourself, you will know which brand you will go for. This one is Sanford, and I chose this one because the power supply is 2200. That is the main reason why I chose this one. All the other brands they were having was just 2000 watts. That's why I chose this one. And this is made in Japan. So before I open it, let's read some of the characteristics of the Sanford infrared cooker. 1. It is suitable for all kinds of cooking materials. So any kind of pot you put on it, it will work. 2. High temperature resistant glass. Elegant design, fireproof material. So all the material they use for this one is fireproof. Ceramic heating element with 5 level power settings. So the settings, according to or depending on what you are going to cook, you have 5 settings: high, low, medium, up to very high. Over current protection, high and low voltage protection. No magnetic radiation, meaning it doesn't emit any harmful radiation. 120 minutes timer function, so you can set it to cook something for up to 2 solid hours, which is pretty cool. It has 2 years warranty. 2 years warranty, and actually they give me a rating receipt that has the 2 years warranty on it. So within 2 years, if anything happens to it, I can go or I can send it for it to be repaired or changed. Let me open it and see what is inside. Wow. Beautiful. Oh, okay, so this is the timer. Auto heat control, keeping food warm. It will keep it around 70 degrees Celsius. So auto heat means it will not let it go beyond 70 degrees Celsius, and it will not come below, let's say, 65 degrees Celsius, because we know below 65 degrees Celsius is danger zone for bacteria to grow. So I think that's the meaning of the auto heat control. And these are the 5 function levels. First one is keep warm. So this can keep your food warm, as I said, around 70 degrees Celsius. And this function, this side is for barbecue, that is grill. And this side for hot pot, I think for soup, water, and like anything liquid. And here is fry, so frying something. And here is hot, so I think maybe if you're cooking something that need high temperature, you use this side. Oh, that's pretty cool. And have up and down function buttons. So I think this one, let's say you are boiling water, you can bring the temperature down here, and you can also use it to change the functions from fry, hot pot, barbecue. And this is the power button. Has inbuilt cooling fan. This is cool. Power cable. Let me see. Is something inside again? Instruction manual and warranty card. Oh, okay, so I have to keep this one safe. So anytime I am sending for it to be repaired or something, I have to present this paper. And always they say you have to read before you use. Nice one. Cautions, features, safety protection, pass name, control panel, operating instructions. Okay,
So it is in English and Arabic. Beautiful. All right, so quickly I'll go off. I'll read the instructional manuals before I start operating it. So stay tuned. I'll be with you soon. Dear friend, I am done reading the manual. So let's start operating it. Okay, power on. Beautiful. I hope you can see the light flashing at the function level. Yes, it's flashing here. So according to the manual, first we place the power button. Okay, now the light is at the power and then barbecue. Okay, so let me increase it and see if the induction will come red. Wow, very fast, very fast, very fast. Okay, let me decrease it and see what will happen. Oh, beautiful. Press and hold, it will decrease or increase depending on which one you will press. And if you just press and release, it will change the function from, let's say, barbecue to hotpot. So if I press plus, just press and release, it changed from barbecue to hotpot again. Okay, from hotpot to fry. So you can see when it came to fry, the coil is very hot now. Let me try and decrease it and see. Okay, I'm decreasing it. I press it. So at the fry side, even if you press and hold, the coil will not really go down as compared to the barbecue side. Let me increase it and see. Press and hold. Oh, so you see it has become very red. Oh, okay, so let me change the to different place. Hotpot, barbecue, water. Okay, so when it reaches water, it has completely gone off, but it's very hot. About 6 meters, I can still feel the heat. Very hot, but you can see the coil is red. Let me change to keep warm. Yeah, here also you cannot see the redness of the coil, but still it's hot. Even, yeah, very hot. You can't even get your hand closer. So the timer. Oh, okay, so I press the timer. It's 15. I press again. 30. I'm sure you can see it is blinking here. 30 minutes. Okay, barbecue, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 2 hours or 120 minutes. So the timer starts from 15, 30, 60, 90 and 120 functions. Wow, these are all the functions of the induction or the infrared cooker. All right, so I have 3 cups of water. I want to put it at the boiling part, which is the water side, and see how many minutes it will take for the water to boil. Okay, so now it's at keep warm. I will change. Here is water, so I will set my timer and see how many minutes it will take for the water to boil. So stay tuned. I will just set my timer and then get back to you the actual time it started boiling. Dear friend, the water started boiling around 5 minutes, which is pretty cool because you can see even the coil is still not amber, it's not red, meaning the boiling function is not really hot as compared to the frying. Let me put it on the frying side and you will see how quickly the coil will turn into red. See, very fast. So though this function is for frying, but in case you want water to boil very fast, you can put it at the frying function and it will boil very fast. I think within 2 to 3 minutes it will start boiling when you use the frying function. You can see how it is boiling vigorously. This is very good. I really like it. It's very efficient. It doesn't waste energy. So it is only this round part that produces the heat. So you don't have large surface area that produces heat. And I think this is very good and energy efficient as well. You don't waste much energy when you're using this kind of cooker. Dear friend, this is all I have for you on the infrared cooker. If you have any comments, drop it down. I will be happy to read and respond to your comments. And if you're new here and have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel because I upload an authentic video every week. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.